Today we'll learn how to crochet the closed shell stitch. Start by chaining a multiple of 6, plus 2 extra chains. For example, chain 18 plus 2, which makes 20 chains in total. Now for row 1, make 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then skip 2 chains and make 5 double crochets in the next chain. Again, skip 2 chains and make 1 single crochet in the next chain. Repeat this pattern. 5 double crochets, skip 2, 1 single crochet, skip 2, all the way across. You should end with 1 single crochet in the last chain. Now let's begin row 2. Chain 3 and turn your work. This chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochets in the single crochet from the previous row. Then skip 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet in the third double crochet of the shell below. That's the middle stitch of the shell. Next, make 5 double crochets in the single crochet of the previous row. Continue this pattern. 1 single crochet in the middle of the shell, 5 double crochets in the single crochet below, until the end of the row. To start row 3, chain 1, turn your work, and make 1 single crochet, just like the first row at the beginning. Repeat and alternate these 2 rows to build your beautiful closed shell stitch pattern. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials.